Welcome to the world of innovative car care products. Today, the spotlight is on the Mjjc Foam Cannon SV3 kit, a top-notch cleaning solution that promises to revolutionize your car cleaning routine. This is not your regular foam gun, it is a game changer. The Mjjc Foam Cannon SV3 kit comes with an array of features that sets it apart. The first feature that catches the eye is its sturdy build. Made with high-quality materials, it is designed to withstand the test of time and use. The robust construction ensures that the foam cannon can handle the rigors of regular use without succumbing to wear and tear. Secondly, the foam cannon boasts of an adjustable spray pattern. This allows you to control the spread of the foam, ensuring that you can cover large areas or focus on specific spots as needed. Whether you're dealing with a large SUV or a compact hatchback, the Mjjc Foam Cannon SV3 kit has got you covered. But what truly sets this foam cannon apart is its unique foam generation technology. The cannon is designed to produce thick, rich foam that clings to the surface of your car, lifting dirt and grime with ease. This results in a thorough, deep clean that leaves your car looking as good as new. Another noteworthy feature is the quick connect adapters and connector. These make the setup and disassembly process a breeze, saving you time and effort. No need for complex assembly instructions or tools. The Mjjc Foam Cannon SV3 kit is ready to use right out of the box. The product also includes a pressure washer gun. This is a powerful tool that can blast away stubborn dirt and grime that a regular hose might miss. When combined with the foam cannon, you have a dynamic duo that can tackle even the toughest car cleaning tasks. To wrap it up, the Mjjc Foam Cannon SV3 kit is a comprehensive car cleaning solution. It is a blend of durability, functionality, and convenience. The sturdy construction ensures longevity, the adjustable spray pattern and foam generation technology promise a thorough clean, while the quick connect adapters and connector, along with the included pressure washer gun, provide ease of use. In conclusion, the Mjjc Foam Cannon SV3 kit is more than just a foam cannon. It is a complete car cleaning kit that offers value for money, a worthy investment for anyone who takes car cleaning seriously. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly car cleaning tool, the Mjjc Foam Cannon SV3 kit is definitely worth considering.